In this video, you will learn how to use Keap CRM software. Keap CRM is formerly known as Infusionsoft and offers a comprehensive suite of tools tailored to many small businesses that want to automate their sales and marketing process. One of its biggest strengths is in its automation capabilities, allowing users to set up detailed workflows for lead nurturing, appointment reminders, follow-ups and client onboarding. It also has a built-in invoicing, payment processing and appointment scheduling, eliminating the need for multiple third-party tools. Keap integrates well with platforms such as Gmail, Outlook, QuickBooks and more, making it easy to fit in to existing tech stacks. Users benefit from detailed contract records that combine email history, notes and payments, helping teams to stay organised. The mobile app is solid, giving users access to CRM functionalities on the go. It's also known for its responsive customer support and helpful onboarding for many new users. Overall, Keap is powerful all-in-one CRM that offers a suite of services for businesses that rely heavily on email marketing and even scheduling. Despite its advantages, Keap CRM does come with a few challenges, particularly for beginner or even newer users. The platform's strength is automation and can feel complex or overwhelming at first, especially for those who are non-tech savvy. The interface, while clean, has a lot of nested features, which can result in a steeper learning curve. For businesses on a budget, Keap's pricing may not be a barrier, as it's more expensive than many competitors, especially when adding more users or increasing contact limits. For some users, reporting limitations and customizations of report on the dashboard may lead to a dissatisfaction, which may not meet the needs of the data-driven team. The email builder, although functional, is not as advanced or as user-friendly as some specialized marketing platforms. Additionally, API limits and integration restrictions may affect businesses with more complex workflows. For larger organizations, Keap may lack the flexibility or even scalability you need for an organization to grow. It's better suited to small to even mid-sized businesses rather than enterprise-grade softwares. Pricing. Keap offers three main pricing tiers and is generally positioned as a premium end of small business CRM market. The entry-level plan, Keap Lite, starts at $160 per month for a single user and includes basic CRM functions, appointments and email tools. The Keap Pro plan starts at $230 per month and adds automation, landing pages, text messages, pipeline management and more. The top tier, Keap Max plan begins at $290 per month and includes lead sourcing, advanced reporting, funnel automation, integration with tools such as Shopify. This price increase with more users and contact volume is also important for teams that plan to grow accordingly. While there is no free tier, Keap does offer a 2-week free trial or 14 days, which can give access to most features. Some users report they also incur additional cost if they opt for onboarding support or premium integrations. Compared to other CRMs, Keap's pricing may be a lot higher, but it offers a feature-rich and is justified the cost for those who fully use its toolkit. Businesses should evaluate whether they will fully utilize the features before committing to a Keap CRM plan. Ease of use. Keap aims to be user-friendly, especially for smaller businesses, but its extensive functionality on onboarding can be a bit intimidating at first. Many new users need time to get familiar with its automation tools, former builders, campaign templates. However, once the initial learning curve is overcome, many users find Keap to be an efficient and time-saving platform that will save your business money. The drag-and-drop automation builder and intuitive pipeline layout makes it easy to visualize your sales workflows. Keap also provides robust onboarding support, including one-to-one coaching, training webinars, resource help center, and its dashboard is customizable, allowing many users to track what matters most to their specific workflows. However, not all elements are smooth as competitors. Some users mention slow load times, clunky navigation between modules. Keap also performs well on mobile, which is essential for service professionals on the go. Or for those willing to invest a little time in its setup, Keap can become a very powerful daily tool for automating repetitive tasks, managing leads, and even basic CRM functionalities. Top competitors. Keap operates in a highly competitive CRM space, and several alternatives may appeal to your business depending on your needs or even your budget. Some of the competitors include HubSpot. HubSpot CRM is one of the most prominent competitors, offering a highly capable free tier and strong marketing automation features and even a scalable plan. Keap CRM stands out from its competitors by offering a truly all-in-one platform that combines CRM marketing automation, sales pipeline management, skill invoicing, payment processing, and many features that often spread across multiple tools. Unlike many other CRMs that focus solely on sales or contact management, Keap is specifically designed to help small service-based businesses streamline their entire customer journey, from lead capture to payment. Its automation builder is also especially powerful, allowing users to create customizable workflows without needing to write a single line of code. While some competitors offer low prices or even free versions, they often require add-ons, third-party tools, to match the functionality of Keap, which provides smoothly. This integration of features is not only saving you time, but reduces the complexity of managing multiple platforms. For entrepreneurs, small teams, or even many businesses looking to grow without hiring more staff, Keap's CRM ability to automate repetitive tasks, keep leads moving through the funnel, makes it a superior choice for long-term efficiency and even business scalability. Overall, Keap CRM is a robust, all-in-one solution designed for business owners, service-based professionals, or people who need a unified platform to manage their entire customer lifecycle. What sets Keap apart is many of its competitors and its combination of contact management, marketing, sales, invoicing, and more, all seamlessly integrated into one place. This level of integration is especially valuable for many businesses that want to simplify their operations and avoid using multiple tools to manage different aspects of their customer relationship. Keap's automation capabilities are one of the strongest on the market, allowing businesses to create customizable workflows that nurture leads from click to close. This can save users an incredible amount of time, allowing them to focus on building relationship with customers rather than getting bogged down with administrative work. The platform is also designed with mobility in mind, providing a solid mobile app for many users who want to manage their operations on the go, ensuring business owners and their teams can remain connected and productive no matter where they are. While Keap is priced higher than many of its competitors, its comprehensive feature justifies this investment. For businesses that are serious about growth and efficiency, unlike many other CRM tools that require businesses to purchase additional software, Keap is an all-in-one solution for many business owners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.